Yeah. So I'm here with Vanessa on our second day of...
It was our first day official. First official day.
Second partial day of being here. Vanessa, what are your thoughts?
Babe, don't put it close. It's like a fish eye.
I know.
Put it close to my face.
Ma'am, ma'am. This is all gonna be great footage. Filmed by yours truly, your boy, Dirty E, E-Money, the easy criminal, the smooth criminal, one might even say.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever.
Estamos aquí.
Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best.
You right? Palmetto Beach, Oahu, Hawaii.
I can take you to the kingdom, my lady. Place you on the throne if you're ready. Never gonna leave you, I'm staying, girl, next to you because there is no other love, no other love like this. No, 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 no other love like yours. No, no, no other loving, no. She will always be the dream. Heaven decided it was perfect for me. You can search the 7 seas, never find a woman as precious as she, yeah. The kind of love that's so complete, the type of love that makes it so hard to breathe. She understands my every need, only woman for me, yeah. I can take you to the kingdom, my
Is that a goddess? Oh. Walking back, found a farmer's market in Waimea. Vanessa's already inside. Had to walk back at the Gopro, shopping back. Had to pick up some local produce.
Thank you.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
Keep me where the light is. Keep me where the light is.
Show us what you
Keep
got.
me where the light is. Keep me where the light is. Give me that earth. Rolling down the window. 82 degrees. All my problems chasing me. Where I'm going, they can't be. And if they come, I will go to somewhere that's never cold. Might just stay till I'm gray and my worries wash away. Will you keep me where the light is? Keep me where the light is. Will you keep me where the light is? Keep me where the light is. Will you keep me where the light is? Keep me where the light is. Will you keep me where?
Compass points you anywhere. Closer to me. Where you are, I will be. Miles high in the deep. Where you are, I will be. Anywhere between. Take me to the garden of your ecstasy. Make myself a heaven from your fallen leaves. Lying in the fabric of your tapestry.
The newest one?
These are the 4 original footprints from the 1997 movie. However, they used to be about 8 to 10 feet deep, but they forgot that we are an open working cattle ranch. So one day they came back and all the cattle had fallen in.
For free, so why not me? So why not me? Never did I have to ask the sun to shine on me, shine on me. Oh, the best in life for free, so why not me? Why not me? Never did I have to ask the sun to shine on me, hey, to shine on me. Okay, 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 okay. I've been stuck inside my head from November to May, but now I got these blue skies, palm trees, new eyes. Y'all can take the green stuff. I'll be on a view high, new vibe. And it feels just like the old me. Back when I was younger, undercover, feeling so free. Ghost you, but you better never ghost me. I'm an introvert, but man, this weather's got me hosting. Oh, the best in life for free. So why not me? So why not me? Never did I have to ask the sun to shine on me, shine on me. Oh, the best in life for free. So why not me? Why not me? Never did I have to ask the sun to shine on me, hey, to shine on me. Hey, this that fire, sunshine's a grab a visor. Peter Piper picked up back a switches and a lighter. Ha, getting higher. Now, right now we're getting higher. Sunny D got us like Icarus, except much drier. My confession, sunshine is my obsession. You'd have probably noticed you're way too possessed by your possession. You just hit that scrolling. a place where I don't have to deal with loading in the terms and conditions. I'm concerned with the conditions while the fake be taking pictures.
Look at that.
While the lonely taking pictures. We say that we're up Christians, still got hatred in our vision. We're just kids running through life.